If you're looking to set up a Livestorm automated email reminder, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the entire process so you can set it up easily and start reaping the benefits of automated reminders for your events. Whether you're new to Livestorm or just want to streamline your email reminders, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a reminder that keeps your attendees engaged and on track. First, if you're not already using Livestorm, you can get started for free by clicking the first link below. We've partnered with Livestorm to offer you exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial, so you can experience the full power of this tool for yourself. Now, let's dive into how to set up your automated email reminders. Livestorm offers a powerful and intuitive system for automating emails that keep your attendees informed and reduce no-shows. To start, log into your Livestorm account and navigate to the event you want to set up the reminders for. Once you're on the event page, click on the Email Settings tab in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll manage all of your email notifications for that specific event. Under the email settings, you'll see an option for automated emails. This is where you can set up the reminder emails that will be sent out automatically to your participants. Click on this option and you'll see a variety of preset email templates that Livestorm provides. These templates are already designed to work, but you can also customize them to fit your branding or tone. Now, let's talk timing. You'll want to set up reminders at key intervals before the event to make sure your attendees don't forget about it. You can schedule these reminders based on the time before the event. Livestorm lets you set them anywhere from 1 hour to 24 hours before the start time. The system is flexible, so feel free to set up multiple reminders. For example, you might want to send one reminder a day before the event and another one an hour before. In the email content, it's crucial to include key information like the event's time, a clear call to action to join the event, and any other instructions your participants might need. Don't forget to include a link to the event in your reminder emails. It's an easy win that makes it easier for people to attend. Once you're happy with the email content and the timing, simply hit save. Livestorm will now handle the rest, sending out automated reminders to your attendees at the scheduled times. You can monitor these reminders and see how well they're performing through Livestorm's reporting tools, which gives you insights into open rates, click rates, and overall engagement. If you're looking to dive deeper into automating other aspects of your event process, Livestorm has even more features like post-event follow-ups, attendee analytics, and integrations with other tools. But setting up automated reminders is a great first step to ensure your events run smoothly. Remember, you can use this software for free by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the exclusive offer with an extended trial. Get the most out of your Livestorm experience. Thanks for watching this quick guide on setting up Livestorm automated email reminders. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on Livestorm and other digital marketing tools that can help streamline your workflow and boost your results.